Hey, Michelle.
Hi, Corey.
Hey, Corey. They definitely need to call one another. We've been saying that for the longest, but seriously, we need to make it happen. All right, here we go. Lip balm. Okay. And then lip pencil. This is Brick by MAC. It's just the brick color. Nothing special here. And then I line my lips with it. And then after I line them, excuse me, then I fill the rest of the lip in. So here. And what this is doing is creating an even canvas for the lipstick. So you're making your lips all one color. And it helps to for the lipstick or the lip paint to last longer. Excuse me. Next, I use a darker red lipstick. It's almost like it's a deeper brick or like a deep crimson. So that's what this one is. It's not like burgundy, but it's like this. And I just line the edges of my lips just to give it some dimension and depth. And if you don't want it darker on the edges, then you don't have to do this step. It's just a personal preference. I don't like it when like any bright kind of lipstick is all one color from the edge to the middle. It just doesn't, I don't like it on me. I need some water. And then here is the Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. And it's weird because that's the only lip paint that she has. She has several lipsticks under the Mademoiselle collection, but this is the only one. So I guess maybe she's coming out with more, but this is the only lip paint that she has. And this is Fenty, but I think I said that. And then I take the applicator and I just kind of rub the excess product on the bottle. And then I start in the middle. I don't start on the edge. And then I just kind of glide it because it's liquidy. So that's why I rub some off because you don't want to have too much on there. And I rub it in and then press the lips together. Don't rub them around. Just press them like this. And then I'll go in with a little bit more. And you can continue this process until you get the intensity that you want. And so I do that. Press. I'm going to look in the mirror to see if I missed anything. And I didn't go on top at first, but I'm going to go on top now to see if I missed anything or if I want to add some more of the darker lipstick just to give it a little bit more depth. I'm going to do that. Just a little bit. And then I'll press it again. And then one other thing I like to do, let's see, it's over here in my little vanity. These are by the same Fenty brand. They're match sticks. And I have this one called Rum. And I just like to highlight my Cupid's bow. I just really like to do that when I wear any lipstick, honestly. I was going to say the red one, but I have to look in the mirror to do it. I just take it. Just highlight that section. It just really accentuates the look of the lipstick. Add a little bit more of something because I got some of that on the lipstick, so I'm just gonna just cover that up. Usually I would do that part before I put the lipstick on, so a little bit out of order, but here we go. So that's it. So let's see. Oh, girl, yeah. Hey. Cute. So make sure you go get yours. I love you, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.